What's up, you guys? Welcome back. So as I'm sure you can already tell from the background, we are gonna be doing a PR unboxing today. I'm so excited. You guys seem to really like these, so I figured I would do them about once per month to show you guys the new stuff that's coming out in makeup. So I'm super excited to get digging into these boxes. Give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys like PR unboxings. And if you don't like PR unboxings, subscribe anyways, because I promise I have so many other videos on my channel that I think you guys will love. Join the fam today and click the subscribe button right down below. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started and get unboxing. Alrighty, so the first package we're gonna start today off with is from Dr. Jart. Let's see what's inside. That was like kind of creepy. I'm not gonna do that again. Okay, whatever this is really, really cold. It is this like a mini? Wait, I think this is like a legit mini fridge that says Dr. Jart on it. Oh my God, wait, what? Let's see what's inside. Oh my God, look at how cute this is. These are little masks. You guys, this is so cute. This is the rubber soothing mask and it's like literally so cold. Oh my God. I'm reading the little card that came in here now. This is their new Shake and Shot mask collection. And you keep them cool in a cosmetic fridge to enhance all the soothing effects. Wait, this is the cutest thing. The tops came off a little bit on some of them, but we have, this is the rubber firming mask, the rubber hydro mask, which I think this one is gonna be my jam, and the rubber brightening mask. These are so cute, like so cute. Thank you so much, Dr. Jart. This is so cool and super unique. Up next, we have Ofra. Oh, this is cute. It's like Valentine's Day themed. We have these little things. I love these hearts. Oh, they taste so good. Then we have their Ofra Peptide Brightening Mask. I feel like I've heard Nikki Tutorials talk about this, but this is the pink edition. It has little pink hearts on it. Super cute. A little trio of liquid lipsticks. These are perfect colors for Valentine's Day. We have a highlight. I think this is new. I've never seen this. This is in the shade Pillow Talk. Girl, I love Ofra's highlights. So this is what it looks like. It's like a light pinky. I know I don't own this, so I'm not sure if it's new or not, but ooh, wow. That is so pretty and so pigmented. And I feel like if you have really fair skin, this will still be a really beautiful highlight on you, because I know a lot of times, like especially even with me, if I don't have any self-tanner on, it's so hard to find like a highlight that works because my skin is so fair naturally, but I feel like this would actually work. So that is awesome. Then we have the Feelin' Myself highlighter palette. Oh my God, so excited. All right, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, okay. So this is 3 of their highlighters. So the middle one is the one that I actually just swatched for you guys, which is in the shade Pillow Talk. They have this covering them. This one is Blissful, which is beautiful, and this one is Rodeo Drive, which is my personal favorite highlight from them. So I love this. This is great for traveling now that you have the 3 different options. This is really, really nice. All right, I'm gonna grab one all the way up at the top here. I'm like out of frame actually how high these go up, but I have one right here. Okay, so this one is from Becca. Okay, so inside there's this little like cylinder thing, so I'm not sure what this is. Ooh, Deep Puff Brighten and Set All Day Becca Bright Eyes. So it looks like this must be like a skin corrector. Like it says Deep Puff. I think this opens, oh. Wait, okay, so it opens this way too. Wow, this is really cool. Okay, so we have an anti-fatigue under eye primer, which is this blue one, which is supposed to depuff. Then we have their under eye brightener correctors, which I've tried these guys before, and these are really, really nice. And then what is this one? Under eye brightening setting powder. Is that new? Ooh. I need to check out the setting powder. So it looks like a light brightening setting powder, which this I'm all about. So I'm so excited. I definitely want to try this out. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys want me to try this out in a video, because I'm definitely gonna try this out. I feel like everything is new in here besides the actual under eye brighteners. Like they've always had those, but I think this is new too, like this depuffing thing, which is like an under eye primer. I think that's really, really cool. So I'm definitely gonna be testing all of these out. Thank you so much, Becca. This next package is from a PR company, so I'm not sure which brand it's from. These are always the fun ones, and I literally have no idea what's inside, like, at all. Ooh, I see Estee Lauder. All right, so I have this pretty little Estee Lauder bag, so let's see what is inside here. I feel like this might be like a perfume or something. Oh, no, oh my God, it's lippies. Oh, wow, oh my God, there's a lot of them. All right, so we have a ton of new lippies from Estee Lauder. These are really pretty. Some of them are like metallic, And then some of them are like straight mattes. They look stunning. I don't know what they're called. These are their Pure Color Envy Matte Liquid Lip. Very cool. I'm so excited. I have to swatch at least one, so I'm gonna swatch this guy right here. Oh, and there was a little card in there, so it says that they are their liquid lip colors and they come in 3 different finishes: metallic, matte, and vinyl. Cool. So this one is a matte and this one is in the shade Naked Ambition. This looks like a me sort of shade, a pinky mauve. Let's see. Ooh, oh, that's stunning. Very similar to the color that I have on my lips today. I always go for these sort of colors. That is really nice. It also felt really nice too. It's almost like a moussey sort of texture, which I tend to like liquid lipsticks that are more like moussey textured. So that is really, really nice. Thank you, Estee Lauder. This next guy is also from a PR company, so I don't know what's inside. And I know I've talked about this in my other PR unboxings, but if you don't know what I mean by that, like a lot of times companies don't send out their own PR. They have like other companies send it out for them. So then on the shipping label, it comes from like some random company, not from like a makeup company. So you don't know like which company's products is inside, if that kind of makes sense. Wait, this one is another Estee Lauder bag. All right, let's see what's inside of this one. All right, so inside here we have the Perfectionist Pro Rapid Firm Plus Lift Treatment. That's really cool. I haven't tried that much Estee Lauder skincare, so I'm very eager to try this out because I've heard great things. My mom like swears by their stuff, so I'm really excited to give this a try. And then we have the Perfectionist Pro Instant Wrinkle Filler. Immediately and directly fill visible facial lines and wrinkles for a dramatically smoother, younger looking skin. That's really, really cool because even I have some wrinkles on my forehead and underneath my eyes, so that's really awesome. And if not, I can always just give this to my mom because I know she would love it. Ooh, the packaging on this is really pretty too. I like that, like the chrome. Then there was also this little like USB in here from Estee Lauder, so I'm assuming that if I put this in my computer, there's like more information about the products and stuff, which is cool. Thank you. All right, let's grab a couple from this side. First, we have Milani. There's a pretty little box on the inside. This is super cute. Let's see what's inside of that. Ooh, it says unicorn dreams come true. What is this? Oh my God, how pretty. Look, you guys, we have some highlights. We have like a unicorn one and then a more like classic highlight palette. Wow, okay, I'm excited about this. Oh my God, these are so pretty. These are the Stellar Lights holographic lip glosses. Look at how stunning these are. Oh my God, okay, I have to put one on now. I guess I'll go with, I don't know if they're gonna be like overkill. Which one should I do? Maybe I'll just do the clear just because I don't wanna like mess up the way my lips look, but this is pretty. Let's see. Ooh. It adds some pretty, ooh, smells so good. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like subtle. Like I thought it was gonna be a little bit more sparkly, but it nonetheless is beautiful. It makes the lips look like super juicy, which you guys know I love. Ooh, and we have a little highlight brush too. Okay, we have to try one of the highlights then. We gotta try it. This collection is super cute. I like it. And like my 2 favorite things, highlight and lip gloss. All right, so I'm gonna go into this guy. I'll use the middle highlight. Obviously, I already have a highlight on, so I don't know how much we'll be able to see of it, but we still gonna try. Put this on. Ooh, girl, you can totally see that. Oh my God. Wait, oh my God. This is stunning. Wow, I feel like this is different than their other highlights that I've tried because I liked their other highlights, but I thought they were more subtle, and this is so far from subtle. This is stunning. Oh my God, I die. Wow. I thought you weren't even gonna be able to see a difference, but you can totally, I really hope the camera's picking it up because you can totally see. This is like pop. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Okay, this is like bomb. This is, I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what this is called. This is the Stellar Lights Highlight Palette in Rose Glow. And yeah, you get the 3 different shades and I was using the middle one. That is really, really good. And this brush is perfect too. Like it fits really nicely to exactly where you would want to highlight. So I like this too. Thank you so much. Up next we have e.l.f. Okay, so it says great skin starts with great skincare, which is very true. So I guess it's some of their skincare products. Ooh, I'm excited. I love their packaging. Like how pretty is this? It just makes you want to try it. This is the Recharging Magnetic Mask Kit. Oh, this is really cool. So it's like one of those masks that's like magnetic and they'll kind of come off of your face and like pull stuff out. I've tried this before, so that's really cool. I haven't tried the one from e.l.f. though, so definitely gonna give this a try. Then we have the Charcoal Hydrogel Under Eye Mask. I've never seen these. I love under eye masks, so this is super cool. We have the Hydrating Water Sheet Mask Yes, please. And the Prep and Hydrate Balm. So I guess you put this on your skin like before makeup? Yeah, it's a cooling balm that helps to hydrate and prep the skin for makeup application, so it's like a primer. Very cool. Up next, we have a House of Lashes. Oh my God, wow, so many pretty boxes today. Let's see what's inside of here. Oh my God, wow, there's like a big mirror. Oh wait, I think it's supposed to light up. How do I turn it on? I don't know, I can't get it to turn on right now, but that's still really cool. Then we have their lash glue, and then I don't know what this is. Let's see. I think this might be like a little case for your lashes. Oh my God, wait, this is so cool. So when you open it up, it has like a little mirror and you can turn the lights on. And then you can keep your lashes in here so you can use this to like apply the lashes. That is amazing. Like for somebody that travels a lot, this is awesome. Especially if you have multi-use lashes like the lashes from House of Lashes, this is great because you can store them in here and then put them on just using this mirror. That is really cute, and you can put this right in your purse and it looks adorable. Wow, I love that. And we also have a drawer in the bottom here. Ooh, with lashes. Yay, ooh, these are pretty. Love it, thank you so much. The next package we have is from a PR company. Ooh, we got MAC in here. All right, let's check this out. So it looks like we have their new water weight concealer. So I wanna try. Let's see what this looks like. This one is NC45, so this is probably gonna be a little dark for me. Ooh, this is cute. So it's kind of like a little dropper. Oh wow, that's cute. I feel like I've never seen like concealer like this, but that's really cool. And I could definitely probably use this to contour, like just do little drops and definitely use this. Let's see the other shades. Oh, I have NC20. That'll probably be closer. This would be good for a concealer. Ooh, this is really cool. I'm eager to try this out. And it says water weight, so it should be like hydrating, which is great. Don't know how good the coverage will be because I feel like a lot of times when it says water, it's always like lesser coverage, but that's not bad for every day, so that's really cool. Then we also have the Studio Water Weight Powder. Oh my God, a pressed powder, okay. That I would like because I don't really love full coverage powders. Wow, oh my God, this looks cool. So there's like two different, feels really nice. It's kind of like a little bit of a deeper and like a pinky. I'm definitely eager to give this a try. This seems pretty cool. Then we have their Reset and Revive Charcoal Mask. I've never tried a mask from MAC before, so that is super cool. Ooh, the packaging is nice. Definitely gonna give this a try. I've really been liking charcoal masks recently. And then we also have the Charged Water Charcoal Spray. Wait, this is cool. Oh my God, so it's like Fix Plus, but it's like black. Wait, what do you use this for? I've never seen this. I don't know what you use this for. It doesn't really say. I guess maybe you use it in the same way that you use Fix Plus. It just gives like a different look. It looks so pretty. It looks like there's like sparkles in it too. Wow, this is super cool. Thank you. All right, up next, we're gonna jump to Murad. I love their skincare products, so I'm excited to see what's inside. Oh my God, again, another nice box inside of the big box. That's like the theme of today. All right, let's see what's inside of this one. Ooh, a water gel. Okay, so we have a nutrient charged water gel. So I guess, is this a moisturizer? Oh yeah, so this is a moisturizer. Definitely gonna give this a try. And then we also have, all right, I can't get it out of the box to show you guys, but it is a Hydra Glow dietary supplement. So it's actually like a supplement that you could take that I guess helps to glow with your skin. I've never taken like a supplement or like a pill or anything like that for my skin. It does say internal skincare though, so that is kind of cool. I definitely want to do more research on it before I take it because I don't ever like to just like take even supplements without like doing my research and seeing what they're for and stuff. But I'm definitely gonna check this out and see like what's inside and how it can help my skin because that is really cool. This next guy is from Laura Geller. Ooh, so this is like a new collection that they have, and they sent me this little thing that says you guys can get 10% off of the Out of This World collection, which is what this is. If you guys use Kelly_JaneXX, which is my Instagram name, and then OOTW Out of This World. On their website, you can get 10% off. It's not like an affiliate code. I don't make any money or anything, but it's a way for you guys to get 10% off of the collection. So this is what it looks like. This is a really nice box. So we have the High Def Glow Illuminator Duo. Ooh, this is pretty. Are these eyeshadows? I like don't know if these are eyeshadows or if these are supposed to be like highlights. They're a little dark for me personally to be a highlight, but this one looks so pretty. Ooh, oh my God, wait, never mind. I could definitely wear that as a highlight because that's just like pure glitter. That is so pretty. This one is a bit deeper, more of like a bronzer. I don't know, for some reason I feel like these are eyeshadows, but I don't know what exactly they are, but they're beautiful, especially this one. Like that swatch right there is so pretty. Then we have the Celestial Bliss High Def Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a mini little palette. Ooh, Those are pretty. I like the colors. They're all sparkles, so you could definitely use this in conjunction with like mattes. And we have another one of the high def illuminator duos. So maybe they are highlights and maybe there's like different shades and that was just a darker one. Oh yeah, on the back it does say that they're highlighters. For a next level glow, you need next gen highlighters featuring a shimmer that radiates with pearlescent polish and a stardust sparkle. You have everything you need. Oh, so you can kind of mix these together to make like your personal highlight. Ooh, okay. This is the one that I would go for. Oh my God. Wow, yeah, so that one is just like pure sparkle, so pretty. And then that one is like the color, so you can kind of mix them together to make your perfect highlight. I love that. That is really cool, and this is something that I have not seen before. That is awesome. What shade is this? This one is Heart of Gold. Love this. Laura Geller is like the queen of highlights, so I should have known. And then we have a bunch of these color lusters. So these are lip gloss high def top coats. All right, let me take them out of the packaging so we can see the colors. Ooh, so this one is City Lights. I'm loving all the shimmery lipsticks. This one is Diamond Dust, love it. Pink Sapphire. Ooh, Gilded Honey, this is my favorite highlight from them. Ooh, so pretty, I love it. Amethyst Glaze, this is stunning, wow. And Rose Tourmaline, ooh, thank you so much. Alrighty, up next we have Pixi. Again, another beautiful box inside of the shipping box. This is so cute. Wait, oh my God, so you have to actually use this to open it. Ooh, it's like a little storybook. Open to reveal the key to glowing skin. Ooh, Rose Caviar Essence. I've never seen this. So this says, after cleansing and toning, press a coin size amount gently into skin. So that's super cool. Then we have the Rose Finish Balm. This is a 3-in-1 product where you can use it to moisturize, prime, or as a hydrating mask. That's super cool. Then we have matte liquid lips. Ooh, very, very cool. Thank you so much. I love this. Up next we have Milk. So we have this super cute little bag, and then inside we have the Luminous Blur Stick, and then we have the original Blur Stick. So I've tried the Blur Stick before. I don't love it. I don't hate it. I also don't love it, but the Luminous Blur Stick, that sounds pretty good to me. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it does look actually very pretty. So this is what the Luminous one looks like. I'll put a little on my hand and see. Oh, that is pretty. I definitely want to try it on my actual face. But it does look nice. I remember like thinking the Blur Stick was okay, but this, if it gives me a little luminosity to my skin, I might like it better, so I'm eager to try it. It smells really good too. All right, we got 2 boxes left. So this first one we have is from a PR company as well. All right, so from the outside, I still don't know what company this is, so let's see. Oh, Wet n Wild. Oh, it's now at Ulta. Yes, I knew that. Congrats. All right, let's see what's inside here. So they sent over some of their new products that are at Ulta. I've tried both of these highlights. I have that on a video on my channel. Then we have this new one. I've never seen this. The silver highlight, but that could be really pretty. And then we have their liquid eyeshadows, which I love. These are really, really nice. Honestly, they rival the Steal ones, and they're so much more affordable. So thank you so much. Very excited about this, and congrats on being in Ulta. My camera died, of course, but we back, and with the final box, we have these beautiful Bare Minerals blushes. Like, how pretty do these look? Let's open it up. All right, so these are their Gen Nude blushes. I think I'm set on blushes for like literally ever. The packaging is really nice too. This is giving me like MAC vibes. Like, it reminds me of what the MAC single blushes look like. It's very high quality and nice. I like these. And I think there's something underneath this too, because there's like a little tab to pull up. Ooh! So underneath all of the blushes, we have these Gen Nude lippies. These are lip glosses, and like every nude lip gloss you could ever want. Thank you so much, Bare Minerals. This is so cute. All right, you guys, so that is it. I hope that you did enjoy this PR unboxing. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you guys want me to do more, and I can totally do that on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!